Kala ko ikaw yung pumasok. Nye. Nye. Thanks. I should have positioned myself there. I didn't know she would stop and answer questions. Yeah. She's wearing naman the body, ano. I hope so. Saan ka tinignan? That's just a tripod, right? Not the camera. Because that would suck if that's a camera. Is he dumb or what? What the shit? Oh, I think it's the S-curve.
Wait for me.
I'd say guess lang ako.
Ay, si ano? Si Mark.
Nag-usap naman kami, talaga naman yung mga ganyan larawan. Lumalakas po yan at the end of the festival. So it will even up.
Especially after awards night.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Sir, question, sir.
Ito lang, sir.
We would like to ask, sir, tawag dito. Sir, kamusta, sir, yung ano ngayon ng MMFF, yung kita?
Ay, sinabi na po ng ating ex-com, no, si Noel Ferrer, that we exceeded record-breaking first day showing. Tayo po pinakamataas throughout the history of the festival. So I'm very thankful for that. Second day po, tayo pa rin ang pinakamataas. So, tignan na lang ho natin.
Okay, sir. Sir, last question na lang. They are saying na may mga tao kasi kami na-interview sa Sinehan na sabi na mas maganda daw yung mga pelikula noon sa ngayon. Pero sir, para sa inyo, sir, ano po ba yung mas kumita sa palagay nyo? Yung noon, in last year o ngayon? Sa palagay nyo lang po.
Alam niyo po, ang challenge ng Metro Manila Film Fest is to combine both artistic excellence and revenues. And that's what we've done. Hindi ho natin talaga pwedeng mapagbigyan lahat. There are the main factors we have achieved, the numbers that we mentioned. At the same time that the artistic excellence that we have, sa amin po wala tayo na po.
Sir, congratulations po rin, sir. Salamat po.
Dito siya. Dito mo siya palit kayo, palit. Para yung angulo ko.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir. Would you like to invite them for your movie na lang?
Showing na po.
Ay, salamat po.
Dong, pakuha mo ng
Pero maganda daw.
wala ko.
Tama.
Everyone's talking about it. Anong nararamdaman niyo pag gano'n ang sinasabi ng mga tao?
Nanginginig ko.
Yeah.
We're also flat.
Yes. Pero Joanna, I heard you just arrived today and hindi yung pa napapanood talaga ang pelikula mo. Ano yan?
I don't know. I'll watch it with some stage.
Right. I just heard today that nagdagdagan na naman tayo ng tatlong ka na naman. Bumalik ang Robinson Studio. How do you feel that the clamor is getting bigger and louder? Mas mga
Still hasn't sunk in because I just arrived. I didn't realize it was this huge and syempre overwhelming reaction. And I'm just enjoying this. Yeah, it's so surreal.
Rachel?
Ako wala pa rin kapaguran pagbasa ng mga comments at mga rave reviews online para sa pelikula namin. And I think that may have been the reason why bakit with another title for the one of the other entries ay pinalik kami dahil nga sa talagang napakaraming nagre-request then from all over the country. Nakikita namin nakakatabawa ng puso at saka lahat nagsasabi na yun nga, it's really a movie that we can all be proud of as Filipinos. Hindi lang siya basta drama, hindi lang basta musical, pero it's a work of art. And we're just so excited to be here tonight with all of our with the crew and our director and our loved ones, our parents are here. So tonight is a night of celebration. Manalo matalo, feeling ko nanalo na kami.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Last question, message to those na talagang nagsusupport for Ang Laraw. Talagang grabe yung pag-post nila online, gano'n na talagang lobby yung Ang Laraw. What's your message nila?
Maraming salamat. And I hope we can carry on doing that as well today with the service as well. And this is
Uy, Jake Weka, nasa likod.